how to make and create calendar on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional calendar on Canva, easy and fast. First thing, go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for calendar. Click on the first option and now you will have this page. Choose a template, for example choose the one that you want, this one, and you can change the text very easy, as you can see, the time and everything just from here. After you finish editing the template, all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.